Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Muhammad Hassan and today we have another scent from Areej Le Dore new collection, that is Malik al Motia. Malik al Motia, I'm not sure whether it says Malik means maybe the king of Motia, I'm not sure. Anyhow, so Motia is basically a flower. So it is basically jasmine attar. Jasmine is being used in Indian attars and Eastern perfumery a lot. So you can see heavy oriental twist on one of the most beautiful Indian jasmine attars called Attar Motia. So Attar Motia is a traditional attar or perfume oil used in India. And Motia, it has jasmine, grandiflower, blue lotus and davana. Jasmine attar based in sandalwood oil or oud from Pechinburi province in Thailand. Thailand oud is very sweet. Base notes sandalwood, benzoin, piru, balsam, balsamic and amber accord. So it would be mostly heavy for jasmine based heavy perfume. Let's spray it because it has some brown color. So let's see how it actually evolves. My first encounter was just Motia everywhere or jasmine everywhere. Motia is actually jasmine in English. Okay, now I'm getting something different. It is kind of very strange. Jasmine is really overpowering over here, but there is one more floral I am not able to. Yeah, I think it's blue lotus or davana maybe. In the start, I like blue lotus. Very nice start. For people who love florals or women, I think this is the second one. I would say very nice perfume. Really nice natural motia. Jasmine, sandalwood is there in the background, but mostly it is jasmine. Let's see if it gets something else. Very high pitched jasmine, a bit more overpowering for me because I don't like too much heavy pitching notes. Now it is getting more balanced, and with other things like sandalwood, I didn't detect much of the Thailand oud oil over here. Let's try to heat it up. Maybe oud might come out. Yes, it smells actually changes a lot with the heat. Very nice. Now it is getting ambery kind of sandalwood with less motia. Motia is still there. It is very overpowering over here because its names is Malik al Motia. It means that it will have motia or jasmine in it. Now getting some oud in the background. Okay, really nice blend. Areej Le Dore, really nice blend from for base that is revolving around motia or jasmine. Really nice natural feeling, no feeling of any chemicals or anything over here. This is pure natural perfumery at its best. If you like attars or attar motia, I think you should get this one. This is kind of perfume interpretation of attar motia. It is mostly, I think, attar motia with some alterations to it, and this is, I think, very nicely done. Again, if you like jasmine note, this perfume is for you. I normally would avoid that because I don't like high pitched florals. Although jasmine is a very nice floral, if you mix it in sandalwood or oud oils, this is going to really balance them out, really get them a bit spicy and give them a spike in the power. And I have mixed myself jasmine in oud oils, rose oud and sandalwood, but with this overpowering jasmine, I don't like most of it. So when there is a floral that is very very overpowering the whole composition, then I normally don't like it or enjoy it. So this is my review about Malik al Motia. Very nice Atar Motia or Atar Jasmine kind of Atar perfume. If you like jasmine, you are a woman, I would suggest mostly this for a woman, because normally I normally don't have seen much men who are wearing this kind of heavy jasmine perfumes. So that is my review about Atar al Motia, or sorry, Malik al Motia from Areej Le Dore. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.